Let's go ticket.
എടുത്ത് വെള്ളത്തിലിടാം. വെള്ളത്തിലിടാം.
But whose land is this?
From the smartphone.
This is drama, bro. Show me the school of drama.
You are seeing the school of drama. This is school of drama.
മനോജ് പ്ലാവിലെ ചെറ്റേ എടാ പട്ടി നിന്നെ ഞാൻ എടുത്തോളടാ. നീ വാടാ, അരക്കിലേക്ക് വാടാ.
Welcome to School of Drama. This is School of Drama. Don't misunderstand. Even that guy peeing is also like you people will having a what to say false impression about the School of Drama. But this is not the School of Drama. The School of Drama is like from the heart.
It's within.
It's within. It's the. This is no. This is a presence of mind. This presence of. And Manoj Plavila will be coming and giving us a good kavita with his wholehearted മറ്റു സാധനം
ഓർക്കാപ്പുറത്തൊരു ചെമ്പരത്തി. Is dedicated by Bijinath Chandran. He said 2011 and 2013 the batch of economics. My lover, my
She's gone.
she's gone. She's
He writing
She's gone.
Kavita
തലയോട്ടി
for-
നിറയെ വീഞ്ഞുമായി വന്ന സുന്ദരി.
Hey, it's on the beach, man. Oh.
ബ്രേക്ക് ചോട്ടോ. ഒരേ കോളേജിൽ പഠിച്ചാന്നോട്ടോ, ഒരേ സ്റ്റെപ്പ്. നേരത്തെ അത്തോടത് ഫോൺ നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാം, ഫോൺ എടുക്കാം. നീ അവനെ കൊണ്ടേ കാട്ടിലിട്ടേക്ക്, ഫോൺ ഞാൻ എടുക്കാം. നമുക്ക് അവന് വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ അവനെപ്പോഴും
Probably going to go into the college over there and sleep in the corridors.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Conversation got boring. You said you'd go into bed soon, so I snuck off to your bedroom. And I thought I'd just wait there until I heard you come up the stairs. And I pretended I was sleeping, and I was hoping.
Grenade! Grenade!
Dude, are you watching me sleep?
Oh, okay, caught you. Okay, now you gotta catch me. Oh shit, oh shit.
Okay, first of all, creepy, alright? Second of all, I don't blame you. I mean, I watch you sleep all the time. You're welcome.
Shit. Late. ഒരു ചായ late.